This is my alarm call. I've got blood on the sheets. What a panic. They've had a chick on the bed. I was racking my brains thinking, what the hell is bleeding? Oh, dear. Yeah, so a load of them find their way into the bed during the night. And my 7 o'clock wake up call, or if not earlier, at playtime. So you can't see much, but it is dark. I'm not getting out of bed to the light on. There'd be a feeding, there'd be toileting, so I've got to get up and do the litter trays or change them for fresh litter. Of course, we get through quite a bit of litter with all these many cats. Then clean up after food, wash up, sweep up or hoover up, mop the floors after the chicks for breakfast, which will leave blood all over the kitchen floor and carpets everywhere. And I've got to play with them. And then I'll get to go back to bed for a little bit for a little cat nap. And does it all over again around 11 o'clock. The dinner time. I try to get a bit of time in the afternoon doing my crafts and my painting. Or we've got to take them outside for a bit of training. And well, it carries on till 7:30 feeding time at night. And that's when I get everything down for the night time. We'll like sort of little drumsticks and chicks and top up the food bowls. And then fingers crossed I get to a bit of peace. I come and nibble my fingers in the bed or whatever, you know, but it tends to be a bit quieter then. There you go. I'm just trying to get everybody out here. I've got my hands full. I've got Sammy out, I've got Mischief out, I've got Connie out. And as the babies come to the door, I'm putting them out as well. My heart's got a bit of boom. I've got somebody coming to visit soon, so hopefully they'll be able to come and help me. Hi Connie, good girl. Good girl Connie, where's your babies? Babies are in here. Good girl. Good babies. Boy Sammy. Good Connie. Hey babies. Look, dog alerts. Sammy, come on. Good Connie. I don't think it's sleeping out of this thing. Got a bit of little net. Sammy, come on. Good boy. Good girl, Connie. You've tangled. Come on, Sammy cat. Tangled. Oh, and a bit of fresh air. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on, baby. You're coming out. Come on in, Neptune.
Unusual. All the drinks and everything.
What are you doing, babies? Hey? You doing, babies? Cinderella, what are you doing? Hey, Cinderella. Hey, Cinderella, what are you doing? You pretty girl, Cinderella. Sammy, leave her alone. You trying to gazump the photograph video. Is Sammy gazumping the video? Get your bum out the way. Hey, Cinderella, good girl. Pretty girl with all your spots. Go that way round. Let's see your spots. Let's see your spots. No, that way round. Roll over. Roll over. Good girl. Where's the spots? That's Spotty Cat. Spotty Cat. Pretty girl, Cinderella. Good girl. Good girl. What a pretty girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, Bear. Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy, Bear? Who's a pretty boy, Bear? Here's a pretty boy. Sit up. Are you going to sit up for me? You sit up for me. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Hey, Bear. Can join in with the big cats. Hey, Cleo. Who's a pretty girl, Cleo? You my Cleo. Ah, you're going to have me, aren't you? You can have me. What you doing? Who's a pretty girl, Cleo cat? Boo. Hey, Cleo. Pretty girl. Good girl. Good girl, Cleo. Good girl. Okay, man. Who's a pretty boy? Hello. You asleep again. You're always sleeping. You're always sleeping, aren't you, darling? You always you're always sleeping. So you're going to fight from lying down position, aren't you? Typical lazy boy. You lazy, lazy boy. All you do is sleep. Yeah? Lazy boy. Good boy. Good boy. I think this is Solomon. Hey, Solomon. Good boy. It might be Bear. One or the other. Hello. What are you doing? Mystery, what you doing? Hey, Mystery. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, Mystery. Hello. Who's a pretty girl then? Hello. Go move down, sweetheart. Who's a pretty girl? You show off your coat? Good girl, Mystery. Stay there. Wrong side the curtain. What are you doing? What are you doing? No? Connie, move. Mystery. Good girl. Good girl, Mystery. girl, Mystery. Got the light on the wrong side. Apologies for that. Come down a minute. Come down here. Daisy. Let's see if we can get you a bit picture on the colour. Come here. Feisty girl. There we go, feisty girl. Sit still. Come here. Here's a good girl. Oh, trying to do kitten photo shoots at 8 weeks old is not easy. They're lively as anything. Boo. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm gonna get you, Mystery. I'm gonna get you, Mystery. Yeah. Hey, Pandora. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Are you trying to go to sleep? Hey, pretty girl. You've got a beautiful white head, haven't you? You are beautiful. You're beautiful, Pandora. Beautiful girl. What's she doing? What's she doing? Beautiful girl. Look at your coat. Look at your coat. Little tiger. Little tiger. See your face. You pretty. Hello. You taking the phone? Pretty girl. You gonna go to bed? You gonna go to bed? Hey, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey?